The world's fastest car in front of us.
The fastest runners in the world.
Oh, it's Rally King. Because you guys were over here like when we first opened. Like,
That's right.
There was this kid who was here on Saturday. He was so excited about taking the pictures. I'm like, okay.
They're gonna start it.
That's the world's fastest car.
It's insane.
Are they starting it?
Yeah.
They're gonna start it and drive it out. No, I swear to God, they're gonna start it and drive it out.
Who'd you talk to?
Take a picture of standing next to us. This is what I was doing on a Sunday night.
Well, has anybody stolen our booth?
Yeah.
Me and
Yeah, that was next to it.
Now you can
Now
say
send the
that
boss.
you literally moved the fastest car in the world.
Yeah, no, so my coworker was telling me, by the way, so when I left today, I didn't screw it. No, I'm kidding.
Oh,
yeah, no, we were joking with it.
This is cool. This is like the old. I like Lyra. I sat Lyra.
Any designer,
Exactly.
so that's why the Koenigsegg is so elite.
It's the whole car.
And the valve train, the way they do that with the solenoids, it's just
Literally the craziest thing in the world.
Hey guys, give me a hand moving this base. Up a little bit more.
Going up?
Up. That's like this base.
I'm gonna be that guy uploading this phone video to YouTube.
Oh, yeah.
A little bit more to front. Bumping in on the other side. Hey, Carl.
What's that?
Get on hook that one.
Live on Woodward.
No more.
What was that?
See, Chris Belford is now live on Woodward.
Wait a second.
After the car's on.
You want to take these off?
You're like right in the way. I'm so tight. It'll be fine. Until you start the middle? I know. We're going to be ready to go. Good.
All of us would drive it off.
Yeah. I don't think there's a single person that would say no.
I'd take a GTR over it.
Of course you would.
I'm just kidding. Oh, are you on Facebook Live? Chris?
Yeah, we're on Facebook Live on Woodward right now, actually.
You do know you have like one of the best shots in the world, right?
That's amazing.
We're down.
So you're live on Facebook right now. You have to tell everybody.
That is the sickest thing. Hey, Matt, get a picture right now.
Oh, dude. We should get a whole rally concert picture.
Yeah, let's get another picture.
Yeah,
I thought of it first, guys. Let's get some music. There's so much smoke. Wait for the smoke.
It makes it
looks
cool.
kinda cool, yeah.
Like mixtape.
Let's take a picture for it. Let's get everybody out front.
Should have to sanction it off from us.
Absolutely awesome.
All right, mind open the door for 2 seconds just so we can get a video of it? Is that cool, dude?
Yeah, that's awesome.
Yeah, we're talking about contests. Who's winning you are?
Thank you, man. I really appreciate it. No worries. Awesome car nerds.
This is like bucket.
Like a quick picture with the camera.
So cool.
But
Good?
Let's look at our cars.
now I have to go look at my piece of crap GTR.
Back to the
Hi guys, my name is George Hanna. This is my Agera RS. It goes real fast.
Well, guys, that's how they do it. Dropped on chains, started, and just fastest car in the world, right there. Fastest car in the world.